This is Dr. Minakshi Gurav, Assistant Professor, D.G. Ruparel College, under University of Mumbai. In this pandemic, everybody is struggling with online teaching and learning. It is very challenging to take the students beyond their books. When we were thinking how to take the students beyond the books, but with the subject which is allied with the syllabus, a ray of hope came in the form of Merck High-End Skill Development Center. We were fortunate to get associated with the team, and team also quickly responded us in customizing the module in the subject of molecular biology and genetics, and we have designed a course, a workshop for our students. We were very doubtful how this technical subject could be taught to the student, but I found the team very effective, delivering the subject very efficiently to the students with the nice demonstrations. Even my first grade students also understood the subject. The study material shared with them was also very good, and it was very well framed. My students are so happy that they wish to have such programs in the future also. We will be very thankful and would like to be associated with the Merck in the future. Thank you.